Hello, welcome to How to Grow Thyme from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available in most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet, you'll find growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a small plastic tray with a clear plastic lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Press the compost down firmly to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. We're doing this now so as we don't wash away the seeds when they're planted later. Take the seeds from the packet and then sprinkle them evenly on top of the compost. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Fit a label, then fit the propagator lid and keep in a warm place and keep moist. Within 21 days the seeds will begin to germinate. At this point, remove the propagator lid, but still keep warm and moist. Step 4. Keep warm and watered, and the plants will begin to develop. Step 5. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, transplant them into a seed tray. First, fill the seed tray with compost. Hold the seedling by its leaves and try to remove as much root as possible, being careful not to damage the stem. Make a small hole in the compost in the seed tray and then insert the seedling, gently pressing round its roots. Now water, being careful not to wash it away. Step 6. Once the danger of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant outside or into pots. First, water the seedlings. Carefully dig out the plant, trying to take as much root as possible. Plant in a warm sunny position 15 centimeters apart. Alternatively, plant into a plant pot. Fill the pot full of compost and then make a small hole in the centre. Insert the plant and gently press around its roots. I'm adding grit here for decorative purposes only. It's not really necessary. Water the plant and then leave it in a warm, sunny position. Step 7. As mentioned before, keep in full sun and keep watered. Pick the leaves as required throughout the year. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.